Hi everyone, I'm Nishita Tripathi and you are watching How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career, and this is episode number 6. To those of you who are joining me on my channel for the very first time, welcome! And to those of you who are returning, thank you so much. It means a lot that you're coming back again. Now, before I move on to episode 6 and talk about a new mistake, I want to recap a little and give my opinion on episode number 5. I feel like when you don't know anyone in the industry, then it is extremely, crucially important that whoever you meet, you do if not an extreme thorough background verification, you at least go through their IMDb profile, which is their work profile. If they don't have an IMDb profile, then you can also look through their socials to see the kind of work that they have done. And मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में सबको नहीं जानती हूँ, पर एक चीज जो मुझे अब तक समझ में आ गई है वो ये है that energy doesn't lie. We must believe our intuition because when we are in a productive environment, we feel safe. We feel like कि हाँ ये अच्छी काम करने वाली जगह है. And on the contrary side, when we are in a shady place, we get these jittery feelings. You know it. I don't need to explain it to you, but it's just that in that moment, you have to really follow your intuition and leave that place as soon as possible. If at all you get into any situation in the name of meetings, like very importantly, know who's the producer, what's the production house that's producing this project, who's the director, who's the writer, where will the project release. These are very basic things and questions that you should ask your agent, your manager, your casting person, whoever is it जो आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आप इस मीटिंग के लिए जाओ, आप उनसे ये सारी चीजें पूछकर ही मीटिंग के लिए जाओ. बिकॉज पहले मैं ऐसा नहीं करती थी एंड व्हेन आई वाज वेरी नाइव, I would go for meetings without having these details, which is extremely important for every actor to know. And if you are still confused, go back and watch episode number 5 to figure out what am I talking about here. And to the rest of you, come, let's watch episode number 6 together. Today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor is extremely yummy because today's advice is to indulge in eating food. All kinds of food, everything and anything that you find yummy, that you think is extremely tasty. Just overindulge in everything that you like to eat. Like go out every weekend to eat. Forget weekends. Anytime you feel like you want to eat, you're having midnight cravings, do not stop them. Do not stop yourself. Have zero self-control when it comes to food, and especially junk food. And you know what? Also indulge in stress eating. For example, you have some emotions and they are, trying to overpower you. They are trying to build up. And instead of dealing with them in a healthier manner, use food as a means to express your pent up emotions. And also when you want to say something to someone that clearly marks a boundary, do not say it directly to that person. Use food as a means to punish them and to punish yourself that why didn't you say it to them in the first place. Like have a very unhealthy kind of a relationship with food, and realize this only when you have a wonderful project to work on. And when you finally get on board, one day you realize that you have no energy left with you. And that's how you do not become an actor. So that was episode number 6 of How to Not Become an Actor. If you have any questions, comments, queries, or anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Take care until then.